Okay, boys and girls, moms and dads, everybody in Bureauland, we got the green light flashing, and I dug out around the Generac to keep the snow from going into it. But I got the lights out there, power's out, but you can see the snow's blowing. But that's why I got it protected with the house, so it doesn't suck in as much snow or get buried as bad. So you want to take that into placement. So all my neighbors, all two of them, have no power. So we're out here in the dark, boys and girls. But we have lights and we're set to go. So that's good, because we got the Generac running. So our lights are working. We got our heat, and everything's golden here, boys and girls, moms and dads. But it's not out there. So you saw the snow, the blizzard. We don't have a whole lot of snow like they're expecting yet, but we'll see. We might get a foot. But you can see the little kitty girl. She likes her Generac. She likes her Generac, don't you? Say, you like your power, right, kitty? So she has her power. The other kitty does. Our furnace is running. Our fridge is running. Everything's normal in our house. So have a Generac, a backup plan. If our Generac would have failed, we have the portable. But you gotta have a plan, boys and girls. You gotta have a plan. And our furnace is running right now too, by the way. So let's go downstairs just for fun. And the kitty girl might join us because she likes to come down and see what's going on. But there you go. You can hear the furnace taking in the air, and she's putting out the air. So the sump pumps will run, everything's gonna run, and the little kitty girl, she's got her litter boxes, and she's all set with her heat, and she's nice and safe in her home. And the big kitty boy is too. So that's it. So happy Generator Monday, I guess. So we have our lights. Everything's good. So that's it from our lovely, lovely Generac world out there. Okay, peace out, boys and girls. Be prepared. Have a plan. Practice it, be familiar with it, and that's why we checked our equipment Saturday. So that'll be today's Generator Monday video, of course. But I did it Saturday on how to prepare and check for stuff. So be sure to tune into that, how to prepare. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there, everybody.